I want to show you how I revamp this old wig. My client has had this wig for over 4 years and she hasn't washed it since she bought it from me. So she sent it to me to help her restore it. So I'm starting to wash it with the Tresemme Clean and Replenish shampoo, and I condition it with the Clean and Replenish conditioner also from Tresemme. And this is what the hair looks like after washing it with those two products. I love how the hair looks as it originally did. I'm spraying this moisture spray, though I feel it's not really necessary, but I just wanted to spray it on the hair. What it does is just gives the hair moisture because she wasn't taking care of her hair well and it was really dry. This is the moisture spray. It's 8+ moisture, but you don't need it. Next, after spraying the moisture spray all over the hair, I'm going to start coiling the hair. I section off the up part of the wig and I'm going to apply the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to the hair. After applying the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to the bottom part of the hair, I'm going to spray my heat protectant spray. That's the one I showed you earlier, that is from Cantu, which is the Cantu Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. Sprayed it all over the hair from the upper down to the tip of the hair, and I'm going to brush through the hair and start coiling the hair. When I'm coiling the hair, I'm going to work with small sections starting from the left side of the wig. Cut out a small section of the hair and I'm going to use this 22mm coiling wand. I love this particular coiling wand because it's big enough to coil a large amount of hair and it hair still retains its coil, unlike when I use a very big coiling wand that the coils wouldn't last long, but this one holds the coil long enough. You can see how I'm coiling the hair. I'm coiling the hair backwards while I place it upwards. Like I put the coiling one on top of the hair and I start to coil the hair backwards, wrapping it backwards on the coiling wand. I'm going to leave the heat on the hair for about a few seconds, about 40 seconds, and pull it off as I just did. And I'm going to reach out for my pins. You need to have pins that you use to hold your hair when you're coiling your hair because you want the coils on the hair to cool off before you take off the clip. And this is a very repetitive process. After I finish coiling the bottom part, I'm going to apply my Argan Oil Serum on the upper parts of the hair and also spray my heat protectant spray and coil it just the way I did this one. Watch me coil the second hair. So I've cut out a small section and I put the hair in between the clip and the coiling barrel, and I start to wrap the hair around the coiling wand. After I've completely wrapped the hair around the coiling wand, I'm going to hold it up for at least 40 seconds and then take it off. So this is what the hair looks like after I've coiled the entire hair. I'm going to use this Tresemme hairspray. This hairspray helps your coils last longer, but try to not overuse it because it might make the hair start feeling dry and it might have white flakes on the hair. To make the closure area look natural, I'm applying my foundation, and this foundation is from Milani. I love how dark it is. This dark complexion is going to fit my client's skin tone. It's going to blend better into her skin, and this is the Milani foundation. It's the Golden Toffee foundation. I also apply the foundation on the parting of the lace, and I'm also going to apply it on the front of the closure area to make it look more natural when she wears the wig on her head. Next, after doing all of the whole foundation thing to make the front look very realistic when she puts the wig on her head, I'm going to keep on styling the hair on the closure area because that closure area is the first part I usually looked at before the body of the hair. I want the closure area to look very flat, very clean and well done. Right now, I'm taking off the clips that are on the coiling one. I want my coils to go in a particular direction. That's the reason why I'm coiling it in a particular direction. The coils on the left side, I'm making the coils face the right side, and the coils on the right side, I'm making it face the left side so that they meet each other in the middle. That's how I place it. Then for the closure area, I want to start styling the closure area, and I'm going to use my hot coiling one, but I noticed that I needed to apply something, so I reached out for my hair wax. So you need to invest in getting a hair wax. They are quite affordable. Apply the hair wax on your closure area and use your hot coiling one to smoothen the hair on the closure area, or you can use your hot comb, like the hot comb, yeah. But if you don't have the hot comb, use your coiling one. Since when you already use the coiling one to coil the hair, use the same hot coiling one to style the hair on your wig. After I finished the front side of the closure area, I moved towards the back side to flatten the hair on the back side of the wig. And after I finished flattening the hair on the back side, I'm going to flatten the hair on this side of the wig. So I reapply the hair wax and I continue to smooth out the hair on the closure area. The beauty of wigs is truly from how you style it. Sometimes you could have hair that is very, very, very bad quality, but if you style the bad quality hair very, very nice, it's going to look like it's the best hair ever. So you need to ensure that you try as much as possible to style your wigs well. For me, I am self-taught, so I kept on practicing and practicing. As I kept on doing hair, I got better and better, and I still have a long way to go because I see people's wigs that are way better than mine. It's a journey. You don't have to be in a hurry to get to a particular destination. Just keep on going and you eventually get there. If you have the money to invest in trainings, please go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on my YouTube channel. Check out my website for products and services that I have available, my ebooks. Just support me in any way you can. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much.